Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to our PHP lecture. Today we are going to deal with a new topic of PHP, that is PHP operators. Let us understand what is PHP operators. Before this, I like to once again say you, in our last lecture, in a math function, this is also a operators, and the math function whatever we have done in our last lecture, it was for arithmetic purpose. Here also some mathematical operation is also going to use. So let us see this PHP operators. What is a PHP operator now? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Two things we are going to deal with over here. One is values and another is variables. Both things we know. Variables, variable x, variable a, variable abc, whatever it may be, and values, numbering systems, whatever the value will be there for the variables, we can use over there. But it's going to perform the operations. It's going to perform the operations on variables and values. So we are going to use PHP operator over here. Now PHP divides the operator into following groups. There are many groups given over here. The operators are like this. PHP has defined operators in following groups. The very first operator is arithmetic operator. Which operator? Arithmetic operator. Let us see one by one. Another is assignment operator, then comparison operator, then increment and decrement operator, then logical operator, then string operator, and array operators, and last conditional assignment operator. First is arithmetic operator. Let us see this arithmetic operator. Let us start with it. PHP arithmetic operators. The PHP arithmetic operator are used with numeric values. The word numeric is very important over here. Remember, whenever the mathematical term arithmetic has been used, we are going to deal with numbers. So the PHP arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common arithmetic operations such as first addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, etc. Whatever it may be, whatever thing you do in your arithmetic operations, you can deal in our arithmetic operator of PHP. Everyone. Let us see the very first operator. It is addition. Which one? Addition. An operator is assigned using this symbol plus sign. Can you see over here? Plus sign. Can you see, everyone? This plus sign. This plus sign is a addition. Arithmetic operator. First one, addition. Example is given over here. $x and $y. That is $x plus $y. What is this? $x. $x is a variable, first variable, and $y is another variable. How to declare variable? To declare a variable, we use $sign. To declare a variable, we use $sign. $x is a first variable and $y is another variable. So between these two, we have used arithmetic operator. It is addition. It is plus sign. So you will get the result of sum of $x and $y. Can you see the example? I will show one example to you. Here it is given the example. It is a simple. All the examples are simple. Let us see. Doc type HTML. Then HTML tag opens. Then body tag opens. Then PHP tag opens. Then $x inside your PHP tag. $x is equals to 10 is given. The value of $x is 10. Semicolon. Then value of $y is 6. $x is equal, $y is equal to 6. Semicolon. Echo. After echo, you have written your print statement. It is $x plus $y. Semicolon. Your echo statement finishes over here. Then your PHP tag finishes over here. Then your slash body and slash HTML tag completes. Let us run the practical. 10 plus 16. Okay, 10, wait, some error is there. Okay, 10 dollar x value is 10, dollar y value is 6. So 10x plus y, that is 10 plus 6 is 16. You get the answer over here. Okay, everyone. Let us see another operator is minus, that is subtraction. Okay, what is subtraction? Dollar x minus dollar y. Okay, this is an example. Result will be difference of dollar x and dollar y. Okay, you will get the difference over here. Try it again. You can see over here, PHP dollar x value is 10, dollar y value is 6, equal dollar x minus dollar y. You will get the answer over here as 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, so this way the example has been given. Let us see another arithmetic operator, that is multiplication. For this you use a star sign. Can you see over here, star sign? This is a star sign for multiplication. Okay, dollar x into dollar y, that is star signature is when your star sign is used. You can use on a keyboard over there. Okay, that will provide you the product of dollar x and dollar y. Next is division. Division, you are going to use a slash. Can you see over here, slash is given. Okay, slash, this slash you are going to use over here for division purpose. Dollar x slash dollar y, it will provide you the quotient of dollar x and dollar y. Okay, clear? It will provide you the quotient of dollar x and dollar y. Next is modulus. For this the symbol given is percentage sign. Can you see there is no keyboard? Okay, modulus dollar x modulo dollar y, remainder of dollar x divided by dollar y. You will find the result over here. Okay, next is exponentiation. What is exponentiation? Anybody? Everyone, you know what is exponentiation over here. Okay, so there are two star. Can you see two multiplications and two star over here for exponentiation? The example given is dollar x star star dollar y, and the result of raising dollar x to the dollar yth power means you are going to get exponentiation of it. Let us see the example for it. Here is the example over here. HTML, then body, then PHP tag opens over here, then dollar x is 10, dollar y is 3, echo. Now echo, what's the statement over here? Dollar x star star dollar y, that 2 times star is called as exponentiation. That means whatever the value of x will be there, it is going to raise to the power of y. Okay, that means 10 to the power of 3, 10 and 10 into 10 into 10 goes to 1000. Can you see over here? The answer is given over here, 1000. Okay, this is the exponentiation, example of exponentiation. Okay, this was our arithmetic operators. This was our arithmetic operators of PHP. Now let us see PHP assignment operators. We are going to deal with PHP assignment operator. Another PHP operator is PHP assignment operator. Let us start with assignment operator. The PHP assignment operators are used with numeric values to write a value to a variable. Let us understand what this content is. Whatever your PHP assignment operator is going to use with, you are going to deal with numeric value first of all, and to write this value to a variable. You are assigning something. That means you are giving this numeric value to another value to a variable. You are assigning something. Let us see one by one. The basic assignment operator in PHP is equals to, in a double inverted comma, you can see over here is equals to sign has been given. Can you see inside double inverted comma is a basic assignment operator. Okay, it means that the left operand get set to the value of assignment expression on the right. Okay, whatever your value will be there, it will be going to set the assignment expression on the right side. Okay, let us see one by one. Your assignment is given same as it is written over there. Okay, description is given over there. Then example, let us see one by one. X is equals to y. This is the assignment. X is assigning value to y. Okay, same it is written over there. Then the left operand gets set to the value of the expression on the right. That means whatever the value of left operand is there is going to get the value to the y side. Is it clear, everyone? Next thing is x plus is equals to y. Can you see this, everyone? Let us understand this. It is very important. X plus is equals to y. What this says? That means x is equals to x plus y. What it says? X is equals to x plus y. Let us see again. X plus, that means whatever content is there on the left hand side of the operator is equals to, it will be added to the right hand side. That means this x value will be adding to the y value. That means left hand side value, x value will be adding it to the right hand side value. That means x will remain over here. This x will remain over here only, but your x will be adding to the y value. So it becomes x is equals to x plus y. Okay, that is addition. You can see addition over here. Yes, everyone. Next, x minus is equals to y. X, that means what it says? X is equals to x minus y. X is equals to x minus y. That means whatever value is there on the left hand side, it is going to get addition or subtraction with the right hand side value. Okay, and the remaining value will be for x only. Again, x will be on the one side, but this x will be subtracted with a y. X minus y is equals to, okay, that means x is equal to x minus y. That is subtraction. Understood? Next, again let us see. X into is equals to y. This is into means multiplication. The value on left hand side will going to multiply with the value on the right hand side. The variables are going to multiply with each other. Okay, so let us see again. That means x will be remain over here. X is equals to x into y. That is, this star is for multiplication. X is equals to x into y. Left hand side value will going to multiply with the right hand side value. Okay, everyone. Next is x slash is equals to y. That means x division by y. That means x is equals to x division y. The value is going to divide your two values. Okay, and last, x mod is equals to y. That is modulo division. Modulus is going to use over x is equal to x modulus y. This is called as your assignment operator. So students, today we have learned two things, that is PHP arithmetic operator and PHP assignment operator. These all are very important operators from exam point of view, and in a programming language you use this operator very much. So remember, this is very easy topic. Use it in your daily use. Whenever you're going to write a program, use it properly. Okay, everyone.